So this is the work that Greg did. This area here that you're seeing had cracks and holes. It had spalling going on. And what he did is he ground this down and he added a top layer. You can see it's brushed forward of a special material, special mortar with additives. He cut some new lines in the concrete so that the pattern would match what was originally there. And then he sealed the whole thing for me. And just came out really nice looking. Before it was pretty unattractive. Now it looks like new concrete. Greg and his team also corrected some severe spalling that was on the front apron here on my garage. And you could see it's been redone, and they have it all brushed nicely, and it's all level, and it's also sealed. And the main thing that I had done by Greg and the Randa Group and his team was a new patio. They removed the old crumbling patio. They redid all the drains so that I have drain pipe going to pop-up caps right here. As you can see right here, there's one. And it came out really nice. You can see they did a nice pattern on there. It's brushed, and then it has some smooth sections where they have the lines in the concrete. And below this, there is rebar added, and Greg was really conscious of the rebar, and his team, they put a lot in. They also made some modifications to the step portion so that the concrete had a larger surface area to grip onto. And now this will be sealed and it'll be complete. Now Greg and his team will do basic work like this, or they'll do advanced finishing work to give you a complete pattern that looks like a fancy pattern that looks like bricks, tiles. And I'm going to show some pictures of that work right here, some other customers that they did. Really satisfied with the work that Greg and his team did, because they were on time and on schedule and on budget, and the work performed was very accurate, and the team all worked together. And the day of the concrete pour, there was like probably 15 people here all working together, coordinating the pour and just working like a great team. So I'm going to give Greg Randa and his team a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with all your buying decisions and all your choices for your concrete work. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new uploads and new video reviews that I will do. Thanks for watching.